everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this beautiful mini panettones. So this Italian sweetbread that is usually made around the holiday is traditionally made with crystallized fruits, but in this version we're using some bittersweet chocolate instead. You're still getting the citrus taste from the citrus essence in there, but mixed with the dark chocolate is quite yummy. Call it Chocottone if you wish. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Let's start by making the sponge with the yeast. Warm up half cup of milk. It should be warm, not hot. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 packet of active dry yeast, the equivalent to 2 1/4 teaspoons. Mix it all to combine. Then add half cup of bread flour and mix it in. Cover with plastic film and let it sit for half an hour. The yeast will activate and the sponge should double in size. In a mixer with a dough hook attachment, add 2 1/2 cups of bread flour. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 whole egg plus 2 egg yolks. Three tablespoons of honey. Half teaspoon of lemon extract. 1 teaspoon of orange extract. 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then add the sponge. I didn't get it on video, but at this time also add 1/4 cup of warm milk. Beat the dough at low speed for about 10 minutes, until nice and smooth. Once the dough is nice and smooth, slowly incorporate 9 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Scrape the sides of the bowl if necessary. You can raise the speed of the mixer slightly once the butter starts to incorporate, and continue to beat the dough until nice and smooth, another 5 minutes or so. Transfer the dough to a large bowl and cover it with plastic film. Let it sit and rise until doubled in size. This can take between 1 to 3 hours depending on the temperature. Once doubled in size, deflate the dough slightly but not completely. Then transfer the dough to a working surface, but do not add any flour. I like using a silicone mat. Then, using your fingers, shape the dough into a rectangle, but do not flatten the dough too much. Then, sprinkle the dough with half cup of bittersweet chocolate chips. And fold the dough into itself. Yeah, why not sprinkle some extra chocolate chips? Work the dough lightly to incorporate the chocolate chips. Then, divide the dough in 9 to 10 equal portions. Shape each portion into a ball and place them into large parchment tulip cups. You can also find special mini panettone cups online. If you wish, you can also follow the same recipe to make large panettones. And if you can't find the panettone cups, you can also bake them on a loaf pan, spring form, or even ramekins. Special panettone cups hold their shape nicely, but with the parchment tulips, I like to tie some twine around them to help keep the shape. Cover the panettones loosely with some plastic wrap or kitchen towel and let them rise for 1 to 2 hours. They should again about double in size. Make an egg wash with 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of water. Beat it well and then lightly brush it over the panettones. Bake the panettones in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius for about 25 minutes, or until fully baked, depending on the size you are making. The tops should be nice and brown when done. Remove the panettones from the oven and let them cool. Optionally, you can also melt some chocolate chips and dip the top of each panettone. These panettones are quite tasty. It's a nice combination between the not too sweet citrusy dough and the bittersweet chocolate. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.